8000 electric circular saw. This vehicle is designed for processing large trees. The equipment has a 60-inch circular saw and a 7-inch separating cylinder. First, the circular mechanism cuts the wood, and then the logs fall into a special device that divides them into 4 parts. Some of the advantages of this type of vehicle are its powerful engine, the possibility to drive it with a joystick, and its comfortable heated cab. VZ950. This elementary crusher is equipped with a hydraulic transmission and is one of the most powerful vehicles of this manufacturer. Thanks to the device's modular design, operating time and consequently maintenance costs are relatively low, while the crusher is extremely powerful, efficient and reliable in material processing. Very often, these machines are used to process logs as well as bodywork, plants and household plastic waste. Thanks to its track system, the crusher can move at a high enough speed despite its impressive weight. Forced Mulcher AHWI M650. This wood shredder is a new generation universal unit which provides ecologically effective and at the same time fast land cleaning as well as high quality soil cultivation. The shredder is designed for heavy and medium duty and is ideal for preparing large surfaces with different plants. The coupler can be installed on any vehicle carrier with an engine of 140 to 350 horsepower. It should be noted that the shredder is able to immerse itself in the soil at a depth of up to 8 inches to remove the roots of plants already cut, and its edge is able to cope even with hardwood species. SV-Truck TMF 2821. Reach Stacker, a special forklift designed to work with containers of all types, weighs 75 tons and has a load capacity of 35 tons. Its overall dimensions are 30 by 14 by 13 feet, while the huge vehicle runs on diesel fuel. With the help of a large mobile hook with a maximum lifting height of 21 feet, this vehicle can also be used for clearing the forest and during construction work of varying degrees of complexity. Litter Master 9000. This vehicle is ideal to clean bottles, straw, plastic cans, glass, plastic bags and other items quickly and with high quality. This equipment makes it possible to quickly collect garbage after massive sporting and cultural events. The developer assures that this vacuum vehicle is far superior to conventional gasoline-based blowers. Direct suction allows cleaning an area of approximately 7 miles in just 6 hours, significantly reducing the cleaning time. The diameter of the suction hose is 8 inches, and it should be noted that this technical tool is simple to use and designed to operate for several years without requiring significant maintenance. Valtra N92. Here we have a trailer sweeper manufactured by Broadway with mechanical adjustment and direct loading of garbage in the landfill compartment. This technical device has been designed to effectively clean urban roads and pedestrian areas of the city, as well as roads. It should be noted that the vehicle is compatible with most models of dumpers and tractors and is capable of cleaning up to 1.2 tons of trash per minute. The collection technology effectively removes crushed snow, asphalt debris, and any trash on the street. The sweeper is equipped with two side brushes with a diameter of approximately 1300 millimeters. In each brush, the user can adjust the amount of hair, hold, and tilt angle longitudinally and transversely. In addition, it also has a cylindrical rear brush with a diameter of 750 mm, which provides high shaft rotation speed and therefore higher operating speed. Moti KE3000. This new hydraulic combine is impressive for its functionality, shape, and design. This pumpkin harvesting machine is equipped with a huge sifting cylinder composed of semicircular rods which guarantee high productivity. The cylinder crushes the pumpkin and sends it to the transporter. The conveyor, in turn, runs on a heavy fuel engine and consists of a low-wear belt with several layers of rubber and fabric. In the collection compartment, a special mechanism rotates using a hydraulic system and allows for quick and trouble-free unloading. Among the advantages of this hydraulic machine, it's worth mentioning the economical mode of operation, the electronic display control, and the high collection quality. Dominator 88S. This vehicle is equipped with a powerful cutting device. Adjustable discharge springs on hydraulic cylinders ensure precise copying of the soil relief. This combine has 3 drive chains with robust profiles. The Dominator has a threshing machine with a 450mm diameter cylinder and a rotation angle of 117 degrees. This model is equipped with a mechanical transmission, a 160 horsepower engine, and a spacious cab. It's worth noting that the owner of this vehicle could manually select the speed of the shredder and adjust the space under the cylinder. New Holland T7 270. This tractor adapts perfectly to the changing needs of agriculture. It stands out for its small size, lightweight construction, and high performance. It should be noted that this machine has an impressive capacity of 228 horsepower, and if the owner wants to add a forced supercharging system, the tractor can develop a power of up to 270 horsepower. The excellent viewing angle makes working on the T7 less tedious. The 2-stage automatic cab suspension reduces vibration by 25% as well. The movement of the vehicle is controlled at all times by a position sensor located on the seat. Ground chainsaw. This huge saw is a special suspension unit to drill the ground. This vehicle has been designed to work with different types of soil and on different surfaces thanks to the sharpened teeth at the base of the workpiece. The drilling mechanism can be easily attached to any tool designed for this job and doesn't cause any inconvenience when it's moved. If you haven't checked Jelly Gummy Bear's channel yet, you should do it right away. You'll certainly like all the funny experiments with the jelly bear, cool life hacks, awesome homemade stuff, and exciting adventures that are waiting for you on the channel.